Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about 1 DTE versus 0 DTE, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
How about putting on a Batman for next day, 1 DTE? That's a viable strategy. As a matter of fact, we didn't use the Batman in the very first year, but we did the 1 DTE, and it wasn't even a 1 DTE. But I'll tell you some of the reasons why I don't want to do a true 1 DTE. And probably the easiest way to do that is to show you with the iPad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw what premium decay will look like over the course of a week, because these are weekly options. There are 8 days of them until we get to the 0 DTE. If I divided this up into the week, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 0 DTE right there. And then this is the start of the premium decay. We'll make blue the premium decay. The premium starts way up here, right? And then it's slowly degrading until it gets here and it goes like this, right? Now, that wasn't really drawn to scale, but if we were to do this properly, you would find that the premium decay that happens here versus here, this amount versus this amount, this total amount will be probably about 65% of all the total premium that's in here is going to decay in the 1 DTE and the 0 DTE. But about 50% of it is going to decay right there, maybe 45. So the vast majority of decay is going to happen in that last day. And so what that's saying is you're getting a much more efficient trade. You're getting more premium decay for the same period of time. Plus, you don't have to deal with the overnight risk, the Asian Open, the European Open, then the European Close, and the American Open. You have far less things to really deal with if you go just with the 0 DTE, and that's the reason why the 1 DTE is not quite as attractive. However, there are some cases where you can play the 1 DTE where you're not really intending to bring it all the way through to the end of the 0 DTE day. Maybe you'll take it off just before the open or just right after the open. And that's often a good strategy. Because when you put, say, futures trade on at, say, 9 or 9:30 the previous night, you might get some significant movement in the market when the European Open happens at 3 a.m. or around 6 a.m. when everyone's waking up, 7 a.m. when a lot of American traders are starting to come online. Then there's the economic reports that usually come out around 8:30. So there might be a significant amount of price movement and even volatility change between the night before and before the market opens to make that 1 DTE a viable strategy. But in terms of the total premium that you have to potentially collect, and remember, it's not just premium that we're using to enhance this trade. That will give us an additional edge for sure, that premium decay. But what is also happening here is the price movement. That's important too. That's at least 60 to 65% of the trade. The rest of it is that premium decay.
Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.